Welcome to Computer Online class for Standard 8th. Keep going. Everything you need will come to you at the perfect time. Welcome back student to Computer Online class. I Mrs. Savita Srivastav, your computer teacher from Kartika High School and Junior College. Let us start with a new chapter, Knowing the Database, chapter 3.
So let's get started.
In a previous virtual class, we had completed Chapter 2 Understanding the Concept of Internet. In this video, you are going to learn Introduction Knowing the Database, History of Database and what is database. What is RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System. Chapter 3 Part 1 Knowing the Database. So let us start with Chapter 3 Knowing the Database. Introduction part. You must have noted how information is arranged alphabetically in a dictionary or in an encyclopedia. The dictionary or encyclopedia also has an index at the back to help you search for information quickly at any point of time. In other words, the dictionary or the encyclopedia contain related information organized in a logical manner for easy access. So these are the two examples of simple databases. Now let us see history of a database. A database is a self-describing collection of data about related set of things and relationships among them. Other examples of databases are the attendance register, address book, and telephone directory. In the past, databases were processed manually. This was tedious, time consuming, and error prone. With an advent of an electronic or computerized database, the task of maintaining voluminous information has undergone a marked change. This concept has emerged with the following inherent benefits. First one is all the information is available at one place, that is on the computer instead of a number of paper or in a book, file and register. Second, the data is processed accurately. Third, error common in manual calculation are eliminated. Fourth, data is processed promptly. Here are some example of database. First one is employee salary, second is database structure, and third is database application. Now there is a simple example of employee salary sheet. It is consist of fields like name, F-name, city, agent, salary, and the records are Smith John 3, city, age 35, and his salary is $280. Like this, all the records are given below. In second, database structure. Before making a database, we have to create a structure, and this structure is created for student. Here you can see the roll number, name, address, and fees are the fields, and 1, 2, 3 is the records. Same way, database application. We can make database application like it is a program, it is an application software made for database application for customer, employee, and their contact number, products of the company, mailing system, and regarding the security of the application. What is database? A database is a system of sorting information in a organized manner and related to a specific topic or a task. It allows you to sort, extract, and summarize information. This type of system is called Database Management System or DBMS. Now here it is explained in a simple way what is database. The database is an organized collection of structured data to make it easily accessible, manageable and update. In simple word you can say a database in a place where the data is stored. The best analogy is the library. The library contains a huge collection of books of different genres. Here, the library is a database and books are the data. Some example like consider your school register. All the details of the students are entered in a single file. You can get the detail regarding the student in this file. This is called database where you can access the information of any student. A database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed and updated. Computer database typically contain aggregation of data records or files containing information about sales transaction or interaction with specific customers. For example, a company database may include table for products, employee, suppliers, customer, orders, invoice, shippers and financial record etc. Whereas school database contains record about school administration, school academic, for example, student register, fees record, mark sheet, teaching and non-teaching employees record and financial record like salary and other expenses of school. Some of the example of database are given below. MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft Access, SQL Server, SAP, Oracle, RDBMS and database. Here we had given the example of school database and company database in the picture where we can see the relational database management system. It is connected with the school database, whereas company database is related with the customers, employees, then products etc. Here are some example of popular database today used in worldwide. For example, SQL Server, Oracle, then SAP, MySQL and MariaDB. Now these are the popular database applications which are used to connect the bridge between the companies. We can insert, we can select, we can update and we can delete the several data by using this database. The software which can handle multiple databases is called as Relational Database Management System or RDBMS. This type of software is designed to relate different information together by linking common data between them like customer identification number, book code or number or student registration number. In RDBMS, data is organized in the form of database, table and field. Main feature of RDBMS are as follow. A database. It contains table, form, queries and report. It is main file or document used to manage information. A table. A table is designed to enter and hold basic information in the grid of rows and columns. Each row is called as record and each column is called as field. Queries. Queries are the extract of information from the different table based on specific questions or inquiries. Next one is form. Form is the tool used to enter and edit the data in your database. Next is report. Report is a way to presenting data on monitor or you can take printout on the paper. Each database table contains a common data field like primary key. A primary key link between different tables to provide relationship among each other. For example, a school database will contain table for information of student fees, examination, admission, etc. And these all tables can be related with student registration number. So you can easily manage data entry and report of the information, and it is shown in the given below example in the next slide. Relational database management system. School database is a best example for RDBMS. School database is related with the administration, school academic, and students and teachers of pre-primary, primary, secondary, and college. So we can maintain the database relating the different tables for administration. In administration, we can keep the record of president, CEO, treasurer, office staff, and non-teaching staff. Whereas in school academic, we can keep the record of headmistress, AHM, and supervisor records of primary and secondary. Whereas we can keep the relation with the students and teachers records of different session. For example, pre-primary teachers and student record. The next table will be primary teachers and student record. Next will be secondary teachers and student record, whereas college and teachers and student record. So this way we can maintain the school database in the different tables. Here is a given below example for company's relational database management system. It is divided into three: one to many, many to many, and many to one. Where one to many is the relationship is between supplier, product, and category and order details, whereas many to many the relationship is between employees, orders, invoice, whereas many to one is the relation is between orders, invoice, customer, shipper. So this way the RDBMS of a company is maintained in a database. Let us look at the main constituent of a database. It consists typically of data in the form of tables. A table therefore is a structural unit of a database. The data in the table is organized into columns called fields and into rows called records. As given in the below fig 2.1, we can see the field name, serial number, name, and phone number. So these are called field name. Whereas records we can see 1 ME 0491236565 is a first record which is in the first row, whereas second record is Chris 0866924113. This is the second record. So the records are in the form of rows and the fields are in the form of columns. A field name is the heading under which the data is provided. It describes the type of information it contains. For example, serial number, name, and phone number. A field is a data or information under the field name. In Fig 2.1, ME and 0491236565 are the data in the given fields. A record is a complete set of related fields. In Fig 2.1, you can see that it is in the entire row of data. For example, in Fig 2.2, we can see 1 ME 0491236565 is a complete one record. Now, fill in the table with the second record is the example here at given in Fig 2.3. 2 semi 0491-236566 is a second record. A database can have many tables with many records as required. Let us find how the computer managed a database. Database management involves creating database table and fields, selecting data, examine and viewing the information, modifying the database, adding new bits of data and deleting unnecessary one. The software that allows you to perform all these tasks on a database is called Database Management System, that is DBMS. Now, here is the example of secondary, where we can create a secondary database. In that, we can create different tables for standard 5th, standard 6th, standard 7th, standard 8th, standard 9th, and standard 10th, where we can maintain the register of this class in computer. This is the best example of database management system. Chapter 3, Knowing the Database, Part 1, Summary. Today we had learned Introduction, Understanding the Database, History of Database, what is database, and what is RDBMS. I hope everyone has understood all the topics very well. So meet you in the next class, in the next video of same chapter, chapter 3, Knowing the Database, Part 2. So student, meet you all in the next class. Goodbye, stay home, stay safe.